hope you all are doing well. If you are a student, please subscribe my channel. In this video, I am giving you some tasks, so don't skip my video. Let's start. Today our topic is subtraction. But first, let us have a review. Is that okay? Well, subtract 9 minus 3 is equal to 6. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. How many peaches are there in the picture? 5. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Subtraction of two-digit numbers. Easy steps for subtraction. Start with the ones. If the number on the top row is larger than or equal to the number on the bottom row, subtract as normal, writing the answer in the box underneath. If the number on the top row is less than the number on the bottom row, you need to borrow a 10 from the tens column, which is worth 10 ones, and add it to the ones column in order to be able to work out the subtraction. Now repeat this, subtracting the tens and then the hundreds. Now we solve the example. 56 minus 43. We write 56 in first row and 43 in second row. Now we start from ones place. Here we have 6 ones and 3 ones. We subtract 3 ones from 6 ones. We get 3 ones. We write 3 at one place. In the tens column, we have 5 tens and 4 tens. So we subtract 4 tens from 5 tens. We will get 1 ten. We write 1 at 10 place. So the answer of this question is 30. For practice, we solve another example. Example 2. 72 minus 56. Look at the ones place. 2 is on the top. 2 is smaller than 6. So you need to borrow from the tens place. Borrow a 10 and add it to the ones place. Then you can subtract. From 12 we subtract 6. We get 6. And 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. So the answer of this question is 16. Subtraction of three-digit numbers. Now let's move on another example. 634 minus 258. One's line. More on the floor. Go to the next door. So borrow a 10 from 3 tens and now we get 14 ones. Now we subtract 8 ones from 14 ones to get 6 ones. 3 tens has lost a 10 and there are only 2 tens. Tens line. Again there are more on the floor. Go next door. Borrow 100 from 600s. Now there are 12 tens. Subtract 5 tens from 12 tens. To get 7 tens, 600 have lost 100, so there are only 500 now. 109. There are more at the top, so no need to stop. Just subtract 200s from 500s to get 300s. So the answer of this question is 376. Dear friends, I hope you are fully understand the subtraction. Complete your task.
Listen to me when I say